So after that mini drop test, what was broken on this guy is the sword that he was holding, in addition to the top part of the shield. So let's try this guy out next, and I suspect it's going to be a lot of the same. I expect the sword to break, as well as these pointy bits on top of his armor. Three drops and nothing broke yet. Let's keep going. And we finally lost the sword on the 5th drop. Let's try for this smaller one. So for the smaller one, we lost an arm and we lost the shield. Let's do a final drop test for this guy right here. I think some pointy bits on his armor might have fallen off, but you can see the sword is still there and he looks pretty much the same. So to wrap this up, I'm going to give him a forceful throw down on the ground and see what happens. I'm going to use a little bit of might for this one. Now, when I actually tried to break it with some force, I was a lot more successful. We lost an arm, we lost a leg, we lost the shield. The body is still intact though, but that's an extreme circumstance. All right, so let's wrap